checked in on my pets, having a team meeting.
Oh, your cat is a baby versus now.
This family makes me want to murder people.
Got a kitten today. His name is Moo. He has a black nose and a fat belly.
Cannot have Philly cheesesteak. No. No. No.
Eu saí por 2 segundos. E o Theo está mandando um e-mail. Theo!
This family makes me want to murder people.
On this episode of I Raised a Kitten in Quarantine and Now I Have a Cat with Separation Anxiety, we're in the shower.
Want some spaghetti? Spaghetti.
What are you doing? I feel judged right now. Well, you make the bed then, if you can do it better than me. You do it then.
Come here. Come here. Did you just say no?
Hello, possible.
Hey, my baby.
Hey, my mommy. Hey, mama.
And so stressed. Try this.
Sit. Shake. Good boy.
What is it?
That was, that was, what was the last one? That was in-game was the last one. It didn't happen. Okay, okay.
Angry. Pickle! Pickle, get down! He's destroying my stars. Get down now. Get down. Pickle.
All right, I'm gonna go. I need to go to work and make money for the family. But you know, you guys have a great day. Just sitting around doing nothing, sleeping all day. You know, all of that. Yeah, just enjoy yourselves.
And stretch their arms out. Stretch their arms out. They freaking.
Gizmo, let's try and do the trend. Yay! Oh my gosh. Come on, let's do the trend. Let's do the trend, Gizmo. Let's do the trend. Let's do the trend.
Toulouse. Buddy, what's the matter with you? Huh? Hey, you cannot. No, you can't come in. Take your baby and go. Hi, Mom. Are you under the blanket? Do you want to see me? Are you sure? Peekaboo. Still not there? Peekaboo.
This is the rarest guitar in my collection. This is a 2016 Fender Catocaster. Completely custom, great high-pitched meows. My only real complaint is that it produces this low, like, purr noise when it's happy.
When visiting my house, please remember, if you don't like cat hair, stay off the sofa. You'll possibly be sniffed and licked, so deal with it. I live here, you are the guest. To you I am the cat, but here I am the baby. They like me more than they like humans. They love me. They're only friends with you.
Oh, sorry, Muffin.
Em ơi, mở cửa cho mẹ nào. Cảm ơn nha. Rồi, cảm ơn nha. Cảm ơn con nha.
Boo Bear.
Do you scream? Do you scream loud? Oh, okay. Look at your little paws. Do you know how cute you are? Okay. Oh, okay. I love you. Love you, Lindsay.
Good boy.